Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate auto brightness in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need to open this panel and here find the auto brightness on this page. I have it on first page, but you can find this on other pages on your phone, and here find the auto brightness and click on it. And as can we see, this option work. You can hold it and find the other setting on this option. And you can turn off this option if you want and set the desired brightness. And that's all for today. Goodbye.